Using big data to make smart business decisions. Using big data to make smart business decisions. In an ever-evolving business landscape, it is becoming increasingly necessary for companies to make informed decisions quickly and accurately. The sheer amount of data generated in today's world can be both overwhelming and intimidating to business leaders. However, it is also a valuable resource that can be leveraged through the use of big data analytics. Big data refers to the large sets of data that businesses and organizations collect from various sources, such as social media interactions, website traffic, and customer purchases. This information is often so extensive that it cannot be effectively analyzed using traditional data processing software. Instead, businesses are turning to big data analytics tools to extract valuable insights that can help them make smarter business decisions. One of the biggest advantages of big data analytics is the ability to identify patterns and trends. With the help of sophisticated algorithms, businesses can analyze large sets of data to detect patterns that would otherwise be missed. For example, an online retailer might use big data analytics to analyze customer transactions to identify the most popular products, seasonal buying patterns, and customer retention rates. Armed with this information, the retailer can make smart decisions on inventory, pricing, and promotions that will boost profits. Another benefit of big data analytics is the ability to monitor real-time data. With the help of advanced data processing technologies, businesses can analyze data as it's generated, enabling them to detect issues and opportunities in real time. This is particularly useful in fields such as finance, where market trends can shift rapidly. By monitoring data in real time, financial institutions can make quick decisions that can make the difference between a profitable trade and a loss. In addition to identifying patterns and monitoring real-time data, big data analytics can also be used to improve customer experiences. By analyzing customer interactions across various channels, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers' needs and preferences. By better understanding their customers, retailers can improve customer satisfaction and boost retention rates. Although the benefits of big data analytics are clear, it is essential to note that it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles businesses face is data quality. With so much information coming from so many different sources, it can be challenging to determine which data is relevant and reliable. This is where data governance comes in. By establishing data governance policies and procedures, businesses can ensure that the data they're analyzing is accurate, consistent, and secure. Another critical challenge is the need for skilled data analysts. Big data analytics requires people with a unique set of skills, including data management, statistics, and programming. These individuals are in high demand, and competition for talent can be fierce. Businesses that want to tap into the power of big data must invest in training and education programs that will help them attract and retain top talent. Despite these challenges, the benefits of using big data analytics to make informed business decisions cannot be ignored. By leveraging large sets of data, businesses can gain valuable insights that can guide strategic decision-making. When implementing big data analytics, there are several key steps that businesses should follow. First, it's essential to identify the questions that need to be answered. This will help focus efforts on the most critical areas and ensure that resources are allocated effectively. Second, businesses must establish data governance policies and procedures to ensure that the data being analyzed is accurate, consistent, and secure. Third, businesses must invest in the right technology and tools to effectively analyze large sets of data. Finally, businesses must attract and retain skilled data analysts who can effectively interpret the data and provide valuable insights. Furthermore, big data analytics is not limited to just businesses and can be applied to a range of fields, including healthcare, education, and government. For example, healthcare providers can use big data analytics to monitor patient data in real time, enabling them to identify patterns and trends that inform treatment plans. Educational institutions can use big data analytics to better understand student performance, identifying areas for improvement,